Welcome to a short presentation of the installation and support for beas manufacturing for SAP Business One. First, go to the website beas.support.com. You need to register. After your account has been validated, you get full access to the beas service portal. In the download area, the latest patch and the server installer are available. You need to install both of them. First download and install the server, then take one of the latest patches. Choose a supported version depending on your SBO version. Below you find information on the main differences between these two versions. To request a license, select Administration, License Administration of beas. To get a demo license, you can just activate automatically by pressing this button. If you want to request licenses, select the modules and the numbers. You can request automatically if due to your firewall settings or some other network problems the connection can't be established. You can copy it to the clipboard and send it via email to this address, registrierung@beas.sbo.de. Then you get an activation code, which you can enter in this field and click on the button to activate the license. How to get help in any beas screen? Press F1 to get a context-sensitive help on the respective beas screen. Inside the help there are links to training slides. The chapters are organized just like the menu items in SAP Business One. How to open a ticket? Please select the department, fill in all mandatory fields, try to give a detailed description of your problem. In the background, a search is performed for the keyword. So for example, if you enter order multiple, in this case there is a knowledge base article with a relevance of 100% on consideration of order multiples, and you can open it and you get an example which hopefully answers your question. If you got an error message from beas, it is very useful if you post it in this field. You can access them by help, beas support, and the latest messages are displayed. For example, if you have performed a database test, click on clipboard and send it to the beas support. You can also attach some screenshots. If you filled in all fields, click on submit and your ticket is posted. If you have submitted a ticket, the answer you get from us may contain a link to a blog entry. You can also use this field to search for blog numbers. The blog offers you the latest development posts available in German and English, plus automated translations into other languages. You can filter posts by categories, search for FAQs or news, or select a date. The search function does not only access the blog entries, but also the complete documentation. In the Module tab, you get information on all modules, a description, marketing, and training material.
The new beas service portal makes it much easier to find any information you need. We hope you enjoy it. Thanks for your attention.